Let's go to lecture 17, while loop. Okay. Here we'll be understanding why we use while loop. Okay, where's the break statement, continue and else statement. And while loop is basically used when I know that the condition is true, but up to what I don't know. Means the loop has to run until the condition becomes false. Okay, so that is where we use the while loop. So I'll just open a new Python file. Okay, and let's start with some simple program for while loop. Now if I know that while has to be executed unless it is less than 10, okay, so I'll just print the value and I will have to give I plus plus, right? Means I have to increment I with some number, otherwise it will keep on. I'll show you that too, right? So it has given from a 1 to 9, less than 10, right? So it's running, incrementing, again checking, printing, incrementing, again checking, printing. So when it became equal to 10, it moved out of the loop. If I don't increment it, it will go on indefinitely, means infinitely it will just keep on getting printed. So I have to stop it, right? So increment is an important part of while loop. Okay. Okay. Now let's understand the break statement. What is break used for? So break is used for to come out of a while loop when a certain condition is met, right? So I say I is less than 5, okay, print I. However, when this value is equal to, suppose I equal to 3, okay, let's come out of the loop. Okay, so there I would be using the break statement, break the loop. Okay, oh, sorry, the colon, I missed the colon. Let me just put that here. So that's a syntax error, right? So it printed 1, 2 and 3 and then it came out of the loop when I put I equal to 3, when it has to break and the iteration was given. So it came out of the while loop altogether. Okay, now there's a thing called continue, right? Continue means that keep on continuing the loop from there itself. No need to move to the next step, rather go back to the loop and continue itself, right? Now I is equal to 0, I am incrementing I by 1, and if I is equal to 3, okay, so print I. Continue means just continue means from here itself it will not go to the next statement. When it is 3, it will go back to 16, line number 16. So line number 20 will not work, so 3 will not get printed, right? So continue means that will go back to the while loop. So 1, 2, 4, 5 is the output. Okay, this is the difference between break and continue. Break breaks out of the whole loop. Continue doesn't let me continue to the next statement unless it takes me back to the loop itself, starting of the loop, right? Now there is else statement also with while, so as we had with if. Okay, so similarly we have an else statement with while. This is something that we have already done earlier. I'm just writing a new code for the while part. we have to increment it, right? And when it has come out of it, when I is not less than 20, that means I is equal to 20, I will write I is not, means I is not less than 20, or I does not fulfill the criteria, or right, I is no longer less than 20. So it just go from 24, check it's correct or not. If not, then go to 27 and then print the line 28. Right, after 19 it has written I is sorry, it should be no longer, but okay, I is no longer lesser than 20. Okay, so this is the while statement. Keep practicing. Okay, and in case you have any doubt, message me on the comment. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.